Mayeni doesn't like Macele at all. She thinks Macele is the one who took her husband. Macele dated Musamseleku in 2000 and Musamseleku got married to her. At that time, Mayeni was pregnant. Musamseleku didn't tell Macele's family that I have a girlfriend who is pregnant with my child. Musamseleku kept quiet and he told Macele's family that he want to have Istanbul. Musamseleku knows that he is going to be back with Mayeni to have a child. But now Mayeni hates Macele like maybe it's Macele's fault. Macele and her family agreed that Musamseleku can have Istanbul. Especially Macele's mom agreed with Musamseleku's decision. That's why Macele is Musamseleku's first wife. Musamseleku want to marry Mayeni at the first time, and Mayeni's family don't agree with that decision that Musamseleku can marry other wives, can have got Istanbul. Musamseleku married to Macele and he go back again. They are keep dating with Mayeni. But Mayeni was already know that Musamseleku now he is married, he is a married man. So Musamseleku told Mayeni he want to marry Mayeni now. Mayeni was already know that there is two wives, Masaule and Macele. But now Mayeni hate Macele. I don't understand because the person who was wrong is Mayeni. Why she came again in that polygamy? They don't agree with Musamseleku at the first time. And now Mayeni hates everyone. She doesn't like everything Musamseleku said about Istanbul, because when she agreed to be the wife number 3, it's obvious Mayeni is going to accept other wives because Masaule Macele accept here. It's not about maybe she was the first girlfriend. We can say the first wife. Macele is the first wife. Mayeni was the first girlfriend. The important person is the first wife. That's why Musamseleku respect Macele more than Mayeni. And it's a problem now that why you are respecting Macele what because the traditional says the first wife. Musamseleku it's like your mom. Mayeni was asking Macele is your mother what yes, it's like his mother Macele. So Mayeni refused to took that position, and Musamseleku saw that Mayeni and she have got a short tempered. What I saw to Mayeni, she can't accept all those things Macele was accepting Mangwawe, accepting Makwela. But Macele didn't accept those wives, Mangwawe, Mayeni, and Makumalo. We understand because that's why Mayeni didn't like Macele, because Macele can pretend in front of Musamseleku like she is accepting, but behind she knows. But it looks like Macele, Mayeni, if she doesn't want to be on Istanbul, what I saw, you have to refuse long time. The Musamseleku said, I'm married, I have got 2 wives, because Mayeni knows what she was doing and now doesn't want to agree to accept Makwela, to accept Makumalo. Mayeni doesn't accept anyone. Even with Mangwabe, it took time Mayeni to accept Mangwabe, because I don't understand, because when you are agreed to being married with a polygamy, you have to accept other wives are coming, because other wives accept you. And especially Mayeni and Macele, because she is very jealous when it comes to Musamseleku. She is very jealous. She want to be alone. She want to be the only wife, and now it can happen. If she want to be only wife, maybe Mayeni can being married to a man who is not a polygamist like Musamseleku, because Musamseleku told them the truth. You know that I think maybe when I started watching, because I started watching on season 5, season 6, so I didn't listen at the first story that Mayeni knows about other wives. I think at that time I was thinking that maybe Mayeni did not know that Musamseleku have other wives, or Mayeni came after Masaule passed away, but Mayeni came in came in Musamseleku's life again. Masaule was still alive. Imagine, Masaule was still alive. Macele was there. Musamseleku and told here before she came that there is two wives. Why Msamseleku didn't tell Mayeni about Makumalo?